case you didn't know, this is Two Cherries Instruments. Welcome to my shop here. What we do is we just build custom instruments. We come up with crazy ideas. Hopefully we get your suggestions and we build some of the stuff that you guys want to see. I put your comments in there. I want to hear what you guys want me to build next. So yeah.
Please subscribe. Please leave comments if you have any suggestions, any ideas, any questions. I'm happy to hear them. I just love the comments, so keep it up. I know a lot of you guys are really excited to hear this thing play. Unfortunately, we are not ready for that. This is my least favorite part. Sometimes I like this part, but we'll see. I'm really excited to get started on it, so I hope everything works out great. But we're going to be tearing this thing down, and we're going to get it all sanded up, and then it's time to start putting on some finish. Okay, I just wanted to explain to you guys a little bit about what I'm doing here. So sometimes with such a large instrument, or even a small instrument, it can be daunting to do all the finish sanding all at one point and get every single tiny little surface you want it to be. So what I'm doing here is I'm using shellac. So I'm putting shellac on the surface. Well, first I just sanded down to 220. So I went 60, 120, and then 220, and then I patted in the shellac, and I let that harden a little bit, and then I come back and I sand with the 220 until I start getting a good surface, and then I pat in some more, and I don't really like clean all the dust off of the surface. I kind of pad that back in so that I fill any pores that I have until I start getting a nice surface build. So, but on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything ground coated in with the shellac, and then I'm going to use the oil-based polyurethane. And this says clear satin, but I can actually get a really good polish out of this. So
Okay guys, getting the ground coats on, starting to take on some really nice color. I'm just going to keep at this until we get everything ready for the top coat, and we'll get back to you then. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thanks.